Got a little garage update. Got the mower, got the gunner, we got the Beamer, the brand new Beamer digital dash. Oh my goodness, is this real life? This is insane. We need some gas. Woo! Let's get her out of here. My jacket broke. Thanks, Joe Rocket. The 10 times I've ever worn this thing. The OGs are gonna laugh at that one. 10 is probably an overestimate. Fresh gas. Don't you love when you get gas all over your gas tank? We're gonna open these up a little bit today. Get some air. Got the gloves. Probably need some new gloves. Gonna get a new jacket here shortly. Thinking about getting a little two-piece suit. Saw a nice Dainese. I don't know. I think that's what the one we're gonna go with. This black and red. What is up, YouTube? Killicam introducing Sparky, the 2020 BMW S1000. This is my first full day with this bike. As you can see, we only have 156 miles. I need to at least clock 100 of solid miles, not stagnant RPM, and try not to get a speeding ticket, even though we are limited. I love this tachometer. I hope you guys can see it today. I tilted the GoPro down. I'm sorry about that first video. I was too excited to show you guys the bike. I just had to post it. Every Wednesday we're gonna have videos, at least one video a week. The gunner will probably be the next video. We have parts inbound for the BMW already. The carbon tank, that should be here any minute. Actually, the black windscreen, I get my commission check tomorrow. We had a good month, so that just means bike parts. Get these tires nice and broken in. This is probably the hottest day I've had this bike, so definitely time to get these tires worn. If you have any mod ideas that you would recommend for this bike off the bat, I mentioned full exhaust system. That's already in the works. I'm kind of set on that. So with that new exhaust, we have to do the rear seat delete. So I have no problem with that. I think I want to get the red cover or a carbon cover just to really keep that carbon in red, and just this bike will look insane once we get some more carbon pieces on her. My only objective is to get as many miles as I possibly can today due to how nice it is. There isn't a cloud in the sky. This thing should have navigation if I hook my phone up correctly to it, so if I do get lost, which will probably happen, that is awesome. I could watch these animations all day in this quick shifter. Imagine when this thing's spitting flames and you just pop your left foot, watch that RPM, the flame comes behind you. I'm gonna have the biggest, dumbest smile on my face when this thing's spitting flames. Oh my God, dude. Oh, let's get it. And imagine someone out there is not working today. They're just sitting inside. When you could be doing this. Oh my God, that limiter, man, come on. This is being like a caged animal. See, look, she won't let you do it, no matter what. BMW, why do you have to be so smart? Yeah, with a nice full exhaust system and a tune, and she's spitting flames. Get the daily 100 in. Even in braking mode, we're gonna make it happen. Just don't pass 8,000, we'll be okay. When you want to put miles on your bike, you head to the closest beach. We're at 311 miles, Charleston. About to hit this beach up. Fun fact, Charleston is actually where I drove and bought the Stang. We have 311 miles. I think to start today we had 170, so I've been putting in that seat time. My butt hurts, you guys already know that. This seat is probably the most uncomfortable thing I've ever felt in my life. I don't care how uncomfortable this seat is. When you need to put miles on a bike, you got to do it. My goal is to be able to take this thing to the BMW dealership next Wednesday to get it checked out. So I need to have at least 600 miles, at least 500 miles, because Charlotte's about a little under 100 miles, and then we'll be golden. Trying to go find me a nice little place to eat some lunch, stare at the bike, drink a brew, numb my bottom, since my bottom is on fire right now from these 140 miles we just put on. A beautiful lunch on the beach, a nice veggie taco with some french fries and some dilly. Broke so many tourists' neck down here. This bike breaks my neck and it's mine. It's just crazy. Look at this. This is the dream right here. I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button if you're feeling generous. Check me out anytime. Videos every Wednesday. KillCam on Facebook, KillCamR6 on Instagram. Y'all have a great day. I'm gonna put some miles on.